Our top story at 6, Governor Greg Abbott's latest executive order bans any entity, including private employers, from requiring proof of COVID vaccination.
So what does this mean for public and private sector businesses? Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs spoke with a law professor to break down the legal language.
The order doesn't specifically outlaw requiring vaccinations. What it says that you can't require someone to be vaccinated that objects.
According to the executive order, objections can exist for any reason of personal conscience based on a religious belief or medical concern. UT law professor Randy Urban says there are two different issues, one being the validity of the order and whether it's enforceable.
We have two Texas-based airlines, American and Southwest, who've already required vaccinations of their employees. And there may be some litigation involving them or a similarly situated business.
Urban says President Biden's vaccine mandate for federal workers would most likely stay in place under Abbott's latest executive order. When it comes to employees who receive state funds or are licensed by the state, there is potential for the order to be upheld. Meanwhile, Baptist Health System is already mandating its staff to get vaccinated while recognizing religious or medical exemptions on a case-by-case basis. In response to Abbott's order, a hospital spokesman says Baptist Health System is awaiting clarification from the federal government and will adhere to state and federal requirements in regards to plans for implementing our employee vaccine policy. As with all protocols and decision-making, Baptist Health System considers the safety of its patients, employees, and community as its highest priority. Urban says the way the order is drafted paves the way for more legal battles surrounding vaccine mandates and employers. All eyes on the courthouse.
You have all these different layers. You have the federal order. You have, local orders. You have, private entities who've already required vaccinations of all employees. And so I think that there's just going to be a bunch of different considerations for each court.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.